Mastering the passive voice with must. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of English grammar to cover a very specific but important topic: using the passive voice with must. This may seem a bit complex at first, but don't worry, we'll break it down, and by the end of this video, you'll have mastered this grammar point. Let's start with the basics. Must is a modal verb used to express obligation, necessity, or a strong recommendation. For instance, if we say, "You must finish your homework," we're imposing an obligation. The subject of the sentence, you, is the one performing the action, finishing the homework. The passive voice focuses on the action and the receiver of the action, rather than the doer. To convert the sentence, "You must finish your homework," into the passive voice, we need to consider the object, your homework, as our new subject. So, it becomes, "The homework must be finished." Here, we're using must together with be, and the past participle of the main verb, finish, becomes finished to form the passive voice. Let's practice with some examples. Active, you must clean your room. To passive, the room must be cleaned. Active, the company must meet the deadline. To passive, the deadline must be met by the company. Active, she must write the report. To passive, the report must be written by her. In each passive sentence, the focus is shifted from the doer of the action to the receiver of the action. The passive voice with must is used often in formal writing or in situations where the focus is on the action itself or the receiver of the action, rather than who performs the action. This can make your English sound more sophisticated and precise, especially in academic or professional settings. And that's it. We've covered how to use must in the passive voice. I hope this video has made this grammar point clear and easy to understand. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep using these structures in your daily English. See you in the next video, and until then, keep learning.